When you need a BACnet IP stat and pulling wire is just too complex and costly, the UbiquiSTAT with BACnet IP over Wi-Fi may be the perfect solution. Every UbiquiSTAT model has a version that will communicate as a BACnet IP over Wi-Fi device. These are available with or without humidity control. These UbiquiSTATs communicate using a designated Wi-Fi network in the building. This can use a Wi-Fi router dedicated to the building controls network as shown, with all UbiquiSTATs and the primary building controller communicating to each other on that Wi-Fi router. This works with the TCS QD3041 BACnet Building Manager or a Niagara Jace or Genesis controller. In another example, the Wi-Fi router is part of an existing public network, like one that is already in place to provide employees and customers smartphone access to the Internet. In this case, the UbiquiSTATs and the primary building controller also communicate to each other through this same public Wi-Fi network. Connecting the UbiquiSTAT Wi-Fi control to the Wi-Fi network is as easy as connecting your smartphone to the building's public Wi-Fi. During the initial setup using the UbiquiSTAT Startup Wizard, select BACnet Wi-Fi as the communication mode, then provide a unique device instance number. UbiquiSTAT will then display all the available networks it discovers. If the network you are using does not appear on the list, press the Scan button to rescan for networks. Once the Wi-Fi network appears, press the Connect button next to it. If the network is password protected, enter the Wi-Fi passphrase provided by the project manager or client's IT department. Click OK to connect to the BACnet Wi-Fi network. The status will change to Connected, and the Done button will appear. Confirm the settings are correct and click Done. You can check the status of the Wi-Fi connection from the UbiquiSTAT's network status screen, showing the strength of the Wi-Fi signal, confirming that it is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Connect with TCS to discover why the UbiquiSTAT should be your go-to BACnet room controller.